Welcome to our video today. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating topic of cryptocurrencies. If you've ever wondered what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and why they're gaining so much attention, you're in the right place. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies based on a technology called blockchain. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the euro or the US dollar, cryptocurrencies exist only in the digital realm. This means there are no physical coins or banknotes. How do cryptocurrencies work? The foundation of cryptocurrencies is the blockchain. The blockchain is essentially a decentralized and public ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent system. Each transaction block is linked together, and the data's integrity is ensured through robust encryption. When someone makes a cryptocurrency transaction, it's recorded in a new block and then appended to the blockchain. This block is then verified and confirmed by a network of computers. This process is often referred to as mining and contributes to the system's security. Why are cryptocurrencies important? Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize how we conduct business and transfer value. They offer several key advantages, such as fast cross-border transactions, lower fees, and financial inclusion for people who don't have access to traditional banking services. Furthermore, they enable the development of smart contracts, which execute automatically when certain conditions are met, allowing for the automation of contracts and transactions. Risks and challenges. It's essential to note that cryptocurrencies also come with risks, including volatility, security concerns, and regulatory uncertainty. It's crucial to educate yourself about cryptocurrencies and exercise caution when investing in or using them. Conclusion. Overall, cryptocurrencies are an exciting and widely debated topic that could fundamentally alter our financial ecosystem. We hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of the concept of cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on more informative videos.